We'll guide you through how to use the latest ChatGPT model. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official OpenAI website. Once you're there, log into your account or create one if you haven't yet. After logging in, navigate to the ChatGPT section, which you can find under the Products tab at the top of the page. Click on ChatGPT to access the latest model. Now, you'll see an interface where you can start interacting with ChatGPT. In the text box at the bottom, type your question or the information you need help with. Hit enter to submit and watch as ChatGPT responds in real time. For more detailed outputs or specific tasks, remember to provide context or detailed instructions in your queries. If you're working on a project, you can input your requirements in sections to receive more structured assistance. The model is designed to handle a wide range of topics, so feel free to experiment with different questions. You can also adjust the settings by clicking on the gear icon at the top right corner, where options like response length and creativity level can be modified to better suit your needs. This can be particularly useful if you're using ChatGPT for creative writing or technical queries. To keep track of your interactions, you might want to enable the chat history feature, allowing you to revisit past conversations. This feature can be toggled in your account settings. Remember, the key to getting the best out of ChatGPT is providing clear and concise inputs. Don't hesitate to refine your questions if the initial responses aren't quite what you expected. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.